Hello and welcome to the weekly wrap video, which a couple of things to catch you up on from the past 5 trading sessions. Of course, we've seen a resolution to the 16-day US government shutdown as Obama and his Democrats yield no concessions to Republicans, lifting the debt ceiling, and US stocks have rallied in response, with the S&P 500 breaking well above all-time record highs, managing to hold that as they head in towards Friday's close. However, it is worth noting some are seeing this just as kicking the can down the road, as we could face another budget impasse and Washington gridlock in January and February next year. Nonetheless, yields have fallen in response across the US as the US Treasury managed to keep their integrity and keep up with their debt payments. And then over in China, we saw Q3 growth figures, Chinese GDP accelerating from 7.5% to 7.8% on an annualised basis, so managed to keep the NDRC on track with their 7.5% 2013 growth targets. This does, of course, come ahead of the third plenum of the Chinese government, with are expected to increase their focus on transparency, conducting further tax audits, so we'll really get to have a feel on the situation of local government debt in China over the next couple of months. And then over in Europe, it's been purely dictated by the US government situation, driving the dollar lower and lifting the euro-dollar currency pair to 8.5-month highs on Friday. This is as markets continue to reassess the situation for the Fed's QE program, seeing the 16-day shutdown as such a dampener on growth that the Fed will keep their foot on the throttle with $85 billion a month in bond purchases. But in terms of next week's releases, of course, we have non-farm payrolls on Tuesday next week, so quite an odd structure in terms of the week breakdown, but that's due to the delays we've seen at the BLS over the past couple of weeks. So focus on Tuesday's non-farms expected at 180,000. So you've had a fantastic week, but in the meantime, I hope you have an even better weekend.